this is a view for each specific client within, let's say, our close loss, right? You get all the specific scores around each deal, but also more importantly, you could see here that we created our own custom methodology around understanding the health of a deal, right? Do they have do they have a complex CRM? Because if they do, we're going to be great at winning the deal. Is there any solution in place? Um, do they have an appetite for coaching, right? A lot of different things here that are really specific to your business. And again, we're the only ones able to do this today, which is really customizing the understanding of your deal based on what matters to your business, rather than, a blend, medic, or spiced that really applies for everyone, but fails to capture what is really specific again to your business. Um, so not only that, but also we can get all sorts of elements, right, around the around what is happening for specific deals, right? So if you go in here, can you see the text box that came out? Yeah.
Yep.
So right there, it will say why this is an alert. The company, the prospects organization has implemented winning by design, so Spice, so they're really actually interested in coaching. However, things are inconsistent. There are a few things that we should pay attention to. And so, the they haven't been paying as much attention to coaching, and this is actually an area where we can even perhaps help them, right? All right, so now that you can have a view out of your deals and intelligent elements around your deals, the next thing is, how can you have an understanding across all of your customer base, right? So again, we've been spending the past 18 months building with proprietary models, the ability to provide thousands of conversations at once and giving you exactly what you need to know around all of your customers, slice and dice however you want them. So this is what we call our generalized insights, which is I can go in, think of it as your own internal chat GPT, right? But specifically for sales and specifically around your calls and emails. And so, I can ask it, what are the biggest bottlenecks of closing our deals? And then it will calculate it over hundreds of conversations and give you and rank the answers to your questions by frequency, and give you within those conversations, all the different conversations where these things are getting mentioned. I don't want to go and click here because it will show some client data, but it will definitely give you all the different elements around what your clients are saying around the pricing and budget consideration, right? And so you can go in there and do, even your PMMs, product team, marketing team can now know what are the most requested features, what are the most common pain points, what are the most requested use cases around your business. And you can break it by types of calls, right? I could analyze it around closing calls or demos or discovery calls, or I can also just analyze it across, calls with RevOps leaders versus CROs, or calls with mid-market versus enterprise companies, and so on. And so that really gives you that granular understanding of your customers. And that really replaces, at the end of the day, the work of a junior analyst over weeks of work within a few minutes, right?